Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you on how to create a Facebook account, how to create a new Facebook account. So if you are new to my channel, welcome you here. My name is Abraham. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Let's get started. So the first thing here is to go to Play Store to download the Facebook app. If you are using Android, you go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone, then you go to Apple Store. Then you search for Facebook. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, Facebook. You install the app here. You search for Facebook and install the app. Then after successfully installing the app, then you launch the app. But currently I'm using Facebook Lite, which is more faster. You can see Facebook Lite is what I'm using. So I'll just head over to the browser and I'm creating the Facebook account. So after I've downloaded the Facebook app, either the Facebook app or the Facebook Lite app, then you open it. Okay, I successfully opened the app. Then you click on create new Facebook account. Here is my account currently. So click on join Facebook. We will help you create a new account in few easy steps. You click on next. Okay, you enter your first name. Okay, my first name is Ayemekun. Enter your last name. Click on next. You can see according to the steps, you can see what's your name. Enter the name you use in real life. So that for you not to have problem while creating the account, make sure you use your real name, even if it's not your first account. Okay, next step is to enter your your mobile number. Enter the mobile number where you can be reached. You can hide this from your profile later. Now this is my official number on this is my number here right there. So but because I've already used this number to create an account before, I won't be allowed to use it again. So I'll just sign up with an email. I think I've not used it to create an account. Okay, let's click on next. You can see what's your birthday. Choose your date of birth. You can always make this private later. So I'm born on November. Let me just go back. Born on November 13, year 2000. What's your gender? You can choose who sees your gender on your profile later. I'm a male, so I'm gonna choose male. So my new password. So I'm not gonna pause the video and come back after I've input the password. Okay, now I successfully click on the password. It said finish signing up. Let's wait for it to load. And as we are waiting, if you're enjoying this video, support me by smashing the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now. Okay, now we have successfully created a new Facebook account, which is very easy. Let's click on OK to save it, and let us know this email belongs to you. Enter the code in the email sent. They will send the email to this. They'll send the code to this email I used. You can see it has been verified. Your account has been confirmed. Wow! So that's all for creating a new Facebook account. You can just add your photos here now. You can skip, and let's go to the home page. Wow! Successfully created a new Facebook account. So you can follow these steps to create a new Facebook account if you are needing a Facebook account. So if you have enjoyed the video, support me by smashing the like button to motivate me to do more videos like this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, here is a great opportunity for you to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified of new videos. If you have any question at all, drop them in the comment section. I'm gonna reply them all. Thank you for watching my videos. Hoping to see you next. Goodbye.